How to fix login error in iQIYI application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem in the application, make sure that the device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues while logging in. However, if you're still facing any other kinds of problem while you're logging into your account, you can simply go to your settings, tap on General, and tap on iPhone Storage. Here you want to start scrolling and navigate yourself to the iQIYI application. Tap on Show All and you want to scroll again. Here's the app we're looking for. Simply tap on it and tap on Offload app. After that, you want to click on Offload app again and simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the application, you shouldn't be having any problems regarding your login. However, if there's any other kinds of problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.